Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Shein Puppy Keep expired. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To fix the Puppy Keep expired issue on the Shein app, here's what you need to do. Start by opening your phone's settings. Once inside, use the search bar at the top to look for iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage when it appears in the results. You'll now see a list of all your apps and how much space they're using. To find Shein quickly, tap on Sort by Name or use the list under Show All to locate the Shein app. Once you find it, tap on Shein to open the app's storage details. From here, select Offload App. This removes the app itself but keeps its documents and data intact. After offloading, you'll see the option to reinstall app. Go ahead and tap on that. This process helps verify and refresh the integrity of the app's files, and it won't sign you out of your account or delete any personal data. After the reinstall is complete, launch the app again and check if the error is resolved. This should fix the Puppy Keep expired problem you're facing in the Shein app. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Shein Puppy Keep expired. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.